Hi, I'm Jamie.
And I'm Meredith, and we're going to show you how to do the stadium seat.
Right after this. And we're back. So today we're going to do our seat cushion. This is 14 inches by 12.5 inches. It is nice and thick as well. So we have printed with our Epson paper using our Epson F570 printer. So let's get started.
All right. So of course we're going to tape this on here with our thermal tape. And our template does provide a really nice bleed on here. And I'm going to tape it on all 4 sides. And then we're going to do 400 degrees for 60 seconds. And we're at medium pressure. Okay, and you'll want to remove this paper immediately. And then here we go.
So now you have one personalized seat cushion. So thank you for watching our video tutorial. Check out our templates and instructions available online at coastalbusiness.com. Thank you.